Hi, this is Priyanka. I have recently purchased this book of CA Final Audit. This is not a detailed book but a full course represented in drone chart, a new version of 4.0 by Sarthak Jain sir. This book covers the three topics: company audit, code of ethics and standard on auditing. For the fourth topic, you have to purchase this special audit book by Sarthak Jain sir. I will tell you why this PC is effective. The most peculiar feature that I found in this book is that he tried to arrange everything in a flow chart form, which really helps in memorizing things and better understanding. Like you can see, each and every concept is given in points and in tabular form. This makes it very easy to memorize things. As you all know, there are many things to memorize. Even if we try to understand it conceptually, we still need to memorize it. All this pictorial presentation, well presented points and charts through this book, I got it all. In Special DC, there is a drone chart for special audit. As you all know, it is a very concise book. It covers all the coverage of the module, and more amazingly, it contains more than 300 questions that could be practiced while reading it. This pictorial presentation using this color scheme which really helps us to memorize and retain things for a longer period of time. So whoever finds theory subject difficult to memorize should really purchase this book. And this book really helps to boost our confidence.